Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So you know what time it is? It's time for a new Fenty Beauty release. As most of you know, Fenty Beauty just released their Beach Please collection. Look, you might hear a couple times in this video. I'm trying my hardest to say beach, but you know, I am Caribbean. But anyway, I picked up 2 out of the 3 different type of products that were released in this collection. There is the Killawatt foil, and of course I had to get the one that everyone was talking about. It is the orange pink one, Mimosa Sunrise and Sangria Sunset. And I also picked up one of the lip collections. This is their Summer Nights Iridescent Lip Illuminizer Trio. And these are the colors Snakeskin, Mermaid Thighs, and Vacray. Gotta love the names there. I did not get one of the eyeshadow duo things because I just didn't. So we're going to create a look with what we have here. And I'm also going to do swatches of all 3 of the lip products. Now let's just get into the eyes. So I'm going to first go in with the Juvia's Place Magic Palette. I'm going to use this shade, Nana, as a transition shade. Actually, I think I'm going to use both Zakaya and Nana as transition shades. I'm pretty sure it's not Nana. It's probably like Nana, but yeah, that's what I'm talking about. If my face looks glittery, that's because I used a lotion that has glitter in it, and I can't get the glitter off my hand, so it's all over my face. Because, you know, Fenty, I'm using the second color, by the way, now. Because Fenty is the brand that you just take a risk on. I am doing an eye look that I have never done before. I've never done a glossy lid before, so I'm going to do one today. I have a vision, you know, in the words of Miss Alyssa Ashley. I have a vision. I'm just hoping I can execute that vision. And now I'm just going to take the Mimosa Sunrise, that is it, swatched on the back of my hand, and start applying that to my lid. I dead thought this was going to be like orange, but this is giving me golden orange. Now going back into the Juvia's palette, I'm going to take this shade, Koji, and just blend those 2 together. Okay, so I went ahead and added some lashes. I'm going to go ahead and fast forward through me doing my actual complexion, and then I'm going to come back, swatch the lipsticks, create a lipstick look, and then we're going to make my lids glossy. Alright, we're going to slow her back down for the highlight. I'm going to take the orange and highlight with that. I mean, it didn't really come out or like this type of orange on my eyes, so we'll see what type of highlight it comes out as. I start off very small because you know you can always build, you can't subtract, at least on your face. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. Okay, alright. Not mad at her as highlight. You can use this as you can use these Killawatts as highlight on your eyes and also on your lips. We're not gonna use it on my lips, but I'm not mad at it as highlight. I know the pink is just sitting there and I haven't used it yet, but it doesn't go with the vision, you know. And so far, we haven't gotten to the glossy yet, but so far, you know, we're kind of on track with the vision that I had in my mind. So I'm not trying to mess it up with the pink, but after I finish the look, this is pink. By the way, after I finish the look, you know, we can go in, maybe add some of the pink, see what it would look like as blush. I don't want to take that risk right now. Do I? YOLO. Let's see what this pink is looking like. Again, start off very small on your face and build your way up. I'm also not that mad at the pink. So on to the lip luminizers. I keep saying lipsticks, but technically not. So first up, we've got Vacray. Let's see here. Okay. That is Vacray on my lips. I have a theory, but let's swatch the other 2 before I say what theory, conclusion. Let's swatch the other ones before I say what it is that I'm thinking. Got Mermaid Thighs mermaid thighs supposed to be thick? Because if they are, I would like them, please and thank you. Okay. Sorry, I started to think about where the rest of this look was going to go because I had something else in mind. Mermaid thighs might have just done something there. So there is mermaid thighs. These do not feel like Gloss Bomb. If I had to compare these, I would say that these feel like... Oh, these feel like the Becca Duo lip glosses. I don't remember what they're called. I did a video swatching all of them. They also have that, you know, depending on like how you hold it and how the light hits it, like it reflects off certain colors. I don't remember what they're called, but I feel like they compare the most to those. However, these might be a little less sticky than those. Those aren't bad. Like, I've used those before as lip toppers, but I feel like this is what they're most comparable to. And last but not least, Snakeskin. Now, I really don't know how to end this look off. There is Snakeskin. What I was gonna say before is that I really bought this set because of Snakeskin. You know, I saw it swatched and then I saw, well, when I saw it swatched, I saw it more look like, you know, the brownish gold that you think you would get with this. And then I saw that the reflex is more of a green and I was like, I don't know about that. So I was gonna say Vacay might actually be, this was the one that I was the least interested in with this set, and when I tried it on, I was like, okay, maybe this is the one that I'm the most excited about. But no, Snakeskin still beats Vacay. However, the one that I was not even giving any thought to was Mermaid Thighs, and Mermaid Thighs did something there for me. I'm actually going to go ahead and put Mermaid Thighs back on. It is not what I was going for with this look, but again, it did something for me there, so that's going to be the lip color here. Is this a pumping gloss? Because my lips are low-key tingling, but to the point of this video, now it's time for the gloss on my lids. So I'm going to take a Gloss Bomb and just start applying that onto my lids. I'm going to put it on my finger and then apply from there because I actually use Gloss Bomb on my lips, so I'm not trying to mess up the applicator. And let's see. Fingers crossed that this actually works. So that is it for this look. You know, it's not really giving me beach please type of vibes. It's giving me more so like Back to the Future or To the Future type vibes, but that's okay. You know, we're just playing with colors here. We're trying to figure out what's going on. As far as the collection goes, the only thing I guess I could say I'm a little disappointed by is that I really thought that the orange was going to be like, you know, this type of orange on my face, and it was not. It was more so like a goldish type of orange. Still not mad at it. It's just, you know, if you were buying it with thinking of using it on your eyes for that purpose, you know, that is something to know. However, you know, the fact that it's not as orange might be a benefit if you are thinking of getting it as a highlighter type thing, because as a highlighter, that looks quite nice on the side of your face, alright, especially, you know, if you are like my skin tone or darker, it's going to be a very nice highlight on your face. The duo together, the orange and the pink, I do like for my skin tone just because I feel like you kind of can use them both as highlight and as blush. It's just, you know, as blush, it's going to give you that sheen type of blush. Not the first time I've tried one like that before. And it's not as bold pink on the side of your face. I need to play around with it again to see how the pink looks on your eyes. But as, you know, a highlight and blush duo, I do like that for that purpose. And, you know, even as eyeshadow, even though it wasn't the color I was expecting, it was still easy to blend in with the shades from the Juvia's palette, so that's a yay on that. As far as the lip glosses go, I would not use these on their own, even though I'm using one on its own right now as a lip color. I'm pretty sure they're intended to be lip toppers, you know, lip luminizer, stuff like that. So that's probably how I would use them. Mermaid thighs really did surprise me. I was not checking for mermaid thighs, but I'm here for it now. And snakeskin, I'm also here for. Vacay, you know, I have it, I'm gonna use it, but, you know, it's the one that I was least excited about, I guess, when I was looking at it, and, you know, now that I have it in person, it's still the one that I'm low-key least excited about. I didn't get the eye duo, so I feel like that is pretty much it for this look. You know, I hope seeing me use this collection and hearing some of my thoughts has helped. If you're thinking of checking any of this stuff out for yourself, make sure to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe down below. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!